and has a close to immediate trading setup, right? And that's why it's really important to be our students or receive first-hand information, right? Let's see what we have over here, right? So on daily chart, we do have this bad pattern. You can wait for the candlesticks confirmation at 102.74, right? This is where we want to wait for magic candle confirmation. So you can see how traders, we are doing this full time. We really have the patience to wait for the formation at the right spot and not jumping the gun of, hey, since the formation is going to happen here, I'm going to short it down, right? Not like that, right? We do not execute trades that way, right? So if you want to learn stuff the right and proper way, drop me a DM and not throwing your money away for just trying these things out and that thing out, right? So if you're serious about making your money work harder for you, right? That's drop us a DM, right? So on the 4-hour chart, many of times traders will get creative and say, hey, I can short at 105.37 since this is resistance and I can stretch my target downwards, right? Conceptually, you're not wrong, but fundamentally or technically, you're wrong, right? Because I hate to say the word wrong, but it's not an ideal setup because I would prefer the RSI to go overbought. That doesn't mean that when market go overbought, it will definitely come down, but I want the reaction to be fast, right? I do not want to hold on to the trade when it just keep on going sideways for endlessly before the final move happens and it could lock up my equity and I could even get stop out, right? Because this is not the ideal level to short based off the 4-hour chart. On the 1-hour chart, nothing much for myself, although you do see that immediate resistance 105.36, right? This is the resistance level within this sell zone. If this is good enough level for you, you may look into it. However, as you can observe and see, if I do not have the RSI at overbought region, I'm not interested, right? That's just one of my filter. I'm not using the indicator to make decision for me. Which means when RSI went overbought and came down, that doesn't mean that I engage a strong shorting opportunity. That's how it works. I do my analysis first, and the analysis have to fall in line and align with the indicators I'm waiting for one of my final confirmation, right? So if you want to learn these things right, drop me a DM.